Hi guys, Michael with Jackie Cooper Nissan again. Today I've got a 2019 Murano behind me. I kind of want to just go over the back lift gate, do some basic things, show you all the things that are involved in it, all the buttons that you have on there, all the different things that you can do with it. It's pretty straightforward, but just some good basic information on the lift gate back here and all the things involved in it if you're not super familiar with it. Now this one I have is a Platinum, so it is the top trim level, so it's got everything in the world offered on it, but SL and up are going to have all these motion activated features and everything I'm going to show you. So let's dig into it. All right, so just looking at the back of it here, you can tell that they changed the tail lights a little bit on it, upgraded it just a little bit, refreshed it just a little bit at the back for the 19, but specifically on the rear tailgate for the 2019, the S on the Platinum, you are going to have the motion activated lift gate on it. That's something a lot of people sometimes have trouble figuring out exactly how to get it to work, but as long as you've got the key on you, in your pocket, and your purse right here in the vicinity of the back of the car, it's a simple, easy deal. It's just a straight in and out motion right there in the center. No stop, no sideways motion, no sideways, just straight in and out, and that'll activate the motion activated lift gate. That way, if you're coming out of the store, got your hands full of bags, things like that, you don't have to go shuffling around and try to open the back door. That's your motion activated lift gate. You got a couple other things built in here too. So you'll notice this button right here, obviously that's the one that's going to tell it to open and close whenever you press it with the door open. That's how you would close it down, but that's also how you can program how high the garage or the back door opens. So say opening it all the way would hit your garage door and you needed to lower it a couple inches. That way, whenever it auto opened, it didn't hit the roof. You just physically move it to the spot that you need it to be in, and then you hold this down till it beeps. And now every time you go to do the power lift gate, that's where it'll stop. So like I said, if your garage is a little small and it may hit the roof, or if you're just a shorter person like me and want it to be a little closer to you, you can program that thing to only open to the height that you want it to. So now I'll open it again and you'll see that it stops where I had it programmed at. Which is a super nice feature to have, and you can readjust that anytime, move it physically however you want to, and reprogram it. Other things are right up underneath here. So there's your backup camera, obviously standard on pretty much all cars now. SL and Platinum on the Murano, you're going to have an all-around camera system, so you don't just have the backup camera here, but you've got one on all four sides of the car. And then you've got these buttons here. So this long one, that's going to be your main open button. But then you've got this little circular one here that not everybody realizes what it is. That's going to be your proximity lock and unlock, just like the ones that are on your door handles over here, to where as long as you've got the key on you, you can lock and unlock the door with the push of that button. It's the same sort of thing. So you have one of those on your trunk. So if you're just trying to unlock the trunk and you don't want to get the key out, you can literally just press that button up underneath there and now it'll lock it up. And same thing as the one that's on the door. So you've got a couple buttons up here underneath. Again, open. That's your proximity lock. Backup cameras right there. You do have windshield wipers on the back, new tail lights on it, motion activated liftgate. You've got the rear back sensors on here as well on the 2019, so it'll beep it as you back up. But I hope that helps. That's a basic little rundown of the tailgate of the 19 Murano and the features that it has on it. So give us a call. Let's help you out. Let's show you one. Talk to you soon.